You can see good out of all three of your mirrors, and the parking brake is on. Okay, so you're gonna put your foot, your right foot only. You're only using your right foot. You're gonna put your right foot onto the brake. Okay, and then you're gonna reach down with your left hand and pull the lever that says brake to release your parking brake. Okay, now you're gonna grab a hold of the steering wheel with your left hand, keeping your foot on the brake. You're gonna put the vehicle into drive.
This is?
Yes. Now you're gonna look forward, and without pushing the gas at all, you're gonna let us coast forward. Okay, go ahead and slowly let off the brake. Okay, and take us down towards the flags over there. So straighten out. Okay, nice and straight. Okay, give it a little bit of gas. Okay, okay. Now give it a brake.